I am Natalia with Mom's Dish. Today I'm going to show you the best roasted potatoes recipe. I actually have a little secret how I season them. It comes out so good. It's only 3 ingredients. You're just going to love this recipe. So we're going to start by pre-slicing potatoes. I will list all the measurements down below. I have about 2 pounds of potatoes here, and I'm going to cut them into wedges. For seasoning, I love using a Ziploc bag for this recipe because you'll see at the end. It just makes it so much easier. So, or any other bag, you can use a bowl if you want to. The bag thing is just making my life so much easier in this case. Where is that going? You could slice potatoes however you want to. I am doing veggies right now, but I mean, if I was hosting a group of people, I probably would cut them into just like bite-sized pieces. That will adjust your cooking time, so kind of look for their tenderness, crispiness, whatever you prefer, but mine take about 45 minutes to bake. Okay, so here's the secret. The Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning is incredible for your potatoes. If you have never tried this, this is the key. You only need 1 ounce. This is where the packaging is. I'm gonna sprinkle this all over my potatoes into the bag. And it has like a good balance of everything. It has all the flavors that you need. And then we're gonna drizzle some olive oil, or I think I'm using actually avocado oil, in here as well. This will give you that crispiness. There we go. This bottle pours out really slowly, so it looks probably like I poured out a gallon. I didn't. And then I zip it up, and then I'm just gonna toss this together. Okay, once you rub it long enough, the seasoning spreads out perfectly. And I love using an extra large sheet pan because this spreads them all out. They become all crispy, gives them room all around. And then I love lining it with the parchment paper. One of this like parchment paper pre-cut pieces are perfect for this. Just pull one out, line it, easy peasy. If you were a mom on the go, like let's say you're a soccer mom or you're gonna meal prep for the week, you can make this batch in the morning or like the night before and bake it whenever you're ready. I wouldn't let this sit for too long, but I mean, seasoned like this, you can probably leave it for a day in your fridge and just bake it whenever you're ready. And now at this point, I'm just dumping this out on a baking sheet. And I'm not even gonna use my hands. I'm just gonna spread it out. Maybe I should use my hands. Let me toss this out. And we're gonna spread it out into one layer, making sure that they're not overlapping each other. They give enough room for baking. Okay, we're gonna pop them at 450 for about 45 minutes. Sometimes the cooking time can be shorter because depending on the size of the potatoes that you get, it'll be shorter. Just watch for the crispiness and tender on the inside, and that's when they're ready. Okay, our potatoes are ready. They look so crispy, so delicious. I almost wanna dig in, but I'm gonna give them a minute and then we're gonna taste test. I would actually serve them. Let me grab a bowl or plate. Let's make an arrangement here so I can move them over and not burn myself. I would do like a tzatziki sauce on this, which I should have thought of and made one, but I'll move them to a plate and we'll do a little taste test. This looks so good. I am so excited to dig in. I know they're good. We've been making this recipe since we got married. We've been married for 19 years. So I love it. I got it from one of our family friends years ago, literally 19 years ago. This is just so good. I love the flavors. Crispy edges, soft on the inside, flavor.
She really does like potatoes.
You need to try the flavor.
Chewy.
They're so good. The seasoning is epic. I got this recipe 19 years ago from a family friend when we just got married.
Really? You know how it feels? It feels like the potatoes are packed with something inside. The outside is fried so well that it looks like it's a skin, which packs.
Packs.
Whatever filling it is.
It is absolutely yummy. 3 ingredients, that easy. You can make this recipe at home for your family or for your friends. Yeah.
I just find it hard to believe it's just 3 ingredients.
It's that easy.
It's great.
We'll see you again next week with more crazy easy recipes.
See ya.